Welcome to Golden Alpha English. In today's lesson, we're heading into the wilderness. You're going to master the 33 most essential words for talking about wildlife, including 19 nouns, 7 verbs, and 7 adjectives. We'll start with our list of wild animals. I want you to focus on the spelling and repeat the pronunciation right after me. Let's get started! All right, let's build your vocabulary. Here are 19 essential nouns you need to know. When identifying animals in the wild, listen closely to the sounds and spell along with me. Tiger, tiger. Tiger, tiger. Tiger, tiger. Cheetah, cheetah. Cheetah, cheetah. Leopard, leopard. Leopard, leopard. Leopard, leopard. Bear, bear. Bear, bear. Panda, panda. Panda, panda. Panda, panda. Elephant, elephant. Elephant, elephant. Rhino, rhino. Rhino, rhino. Rhino, rhino. Hippo, hippo. Hippo, hippo. Deer, deer. Deer, deer. Deer, deer. Bison, bison. Bison, bison. Bison, bison. Boar, boar. Boar, boar. Boar, boar. Zebra, zebra. Zebra, zebra. Zebra, zebra. Giraffe, giraffe. Giraffe, giraffe. Giraffe, giraffe.
Monkey, monkey. Monkey, monkey. Monkey, monkey,
gorilla, gorilla. gorilla, gorilla. gorilla, gorilla. wolf, wolf. wolf, wolf. wolf, wolf. fox, fox. hyena, hyena. Great job on those nouns. Now, let's talk about what these animals actually do. I'm going to show you 7 essential verbs used in full sentences. After you hear the audio, I want you to shadow me. Repeat the sentence out loud, matching my rhythm and speed exactly. Let's go!
eat. The panda eats bamboo. Eat. The panda eats bamboo. Eat. The panda eats bamboo.
Run. The cheetah runs very fast. Run. The cheetah runs very fast. Run. The cheetah runs very fast.
Sleep. The lion sleeps in the sun. Sleep. The lion sleeps in the sun.
Drink. The zebra drinks water. Drink. The zebra drinks water.
Walk. The elephant walks slowly. Walk. The elephant walks slowly. Walk. The elephant walks slowly.
Hide. The fox hides in the grass. Hide. The fox hides in the grass.
Live. The monkey lives in trees. Live. The monkey lives in trees. Live. The monkey lives in trees.
Excellent work! Now that we have our actions down, let's add some detail.
Here are 7 key adjectives to describe these magnificent creatures. Just like before, I'll show each word in a sentence. Listen to the audio, then shadow me out loud to master the flow. Let's finish strong! Big. Elephants and hippos are big. Big. Elephants and hippos are big. Big. Elephants and hippos are big. Small. I saw a small monkey in the tree. Small. I saw a small monkey in the tree. Fast. The deer is quite fast. Fast. The deer is quite fast. Fast. The deer is quite fast.
Slow. The rhino is very slow. Slow. The rhino is very slow. Slow. The rhino is very slow.
Strong. Gorillas and bison are strong. Strong. Gorillas and bison are strong. Strong. Gorillas and bison are strong. Scary. Lions and wolves are scary. Scary. Lions and wolves are scary. Scary. Lions and wolves are scary.
And that wraps up our essential wildlife vocabulary. Yeah!
Practice these words today to make your English sound more descriptive and confident.
Good luck with your studies and keep practicing.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Golden Alpha English. Golden Alpha English for more lessons like this. See you in the next video.